every time I do this. You're so weird. You're so weird. Look. Look. What are you trying to do, Mama? What are you trying to do?
She probably wants to sit outside.
You wanna go outside? Let's go. Wanna go outside? Let's go, Wow Wow. Wanna go outside?
Call her. Come.
Come here. Now, come. Come. Come here. Come. Okay. I have no socks on. But Maui, we're going to chill, right? We're going to chill. Look at my Wow. I miss my Maui. Not like the photo vision or anything like that, but I love my Maui. Look, I can't replace her. You're so adorable. You're so adorable. A little room tour, or backyard tour. This is my backyard now. My other home, my parents split up, so like I had to live here, so with Wow. And sometimes I go to dad's sometimes, but it's here like most of the time. Yeah, so yeah. Right, BB? I love you. 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 Okay. You're a little bit better. I love you. I missed you, Wow. I'm home. In Mom's house. Hi, Wow. Hi, BB. Aw. I missed you, Baba. I missed you. So much, Berber. I missed you.
What about me?
I miss you too. And you, Boober. I love you. I love you. My baby. This is Wow. I call it Wow, but it's actually Maui. Hi, Boo Boo. You're chilling? Your boy? Ew, what is this? Ew. Ew, Wow. Ew. Ew. You don't know what that is? You don't know what that is? Okay. Maybe treat or whatever. It's okay, Papa. It's okay.